Today we are going to learn about article. So there are three articles, a and the. So let's talk about it. But before this, you should know what is vowels and consonant. So from the 26 alphabet, the alphabets A, E, I, O, U are known as vowels, and remaining 21 alphabets are known as consonants. That is B, C, D, F and so on. So students, now you know what are vowels and consonants. So let's start with our first article A. So article A is used before the word starting with consonants. For example, a car, a dog and a mango. So this word's car is starting with C and a dog is starting with D and the word a mango is starting with M. So these all words are starting with consonant, that is C, B and M. Hence we use here article A. Now let's start with our second article an. So an is the article which is used before the word starting with vowels. Now remember which are vowels? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. So now let's take an example. Aeroplane, orange and elephant. So the word aeroplane is starting with A and this is our vowels. Hence we use here article an aeroplane. Second word is orange. So orange is starting with O. This is also our vowels. Hence we also use here an. And our last word is elephant. Elephant is also starting with vowels, that is E. Hence we also use here an. Now let's start with our third article the. So the is the article which is used before the thing which is only one in whole universe. For example, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is only one in universe. So simply we can say the Taj Mahal. To understand it betterly, we can take some other example. The sun, the moon, the planets. Oh, what did I say? You can see here I just said the planets. Even there is total 8 planets in our solar system. Still I can say the planets. But don't worry, it's right. Because there is one another rule for these kinds of words, that is plurals. But do you know what are plurals? Plurals means more than one thing. For example, a book, the books, a pen, the pens, a bat, the bat. Now you understand all about article. Hey, but wait, there is one another thing is important. In some kinds of words, there is no article is used. Like, if I want milk, I cannot say I want a milk or I want the milk. Even I cannot say I want an milk because milk is liquid. And in front of any liquid, no article is used. Similarly, no article is used in front of tea, coffee or water. Then I said I want tea, I want coffee, I want water. So student, now it's all about the article.